I'm Elise Lupin from Elysium Marketing Group, and today we're going to talk about branding and the importance of branding and how it will help you reach your business goals. So we're going to talk about 6 ways that branding is really important. Number 1, it helps identify your brand. Everyone knows when they see the little apple that it's an Apple product. Same with Nike and the swoosh. You want to make sure that whatever message you're trying to get out, people know it's coming from your brand and not a competitor or someone else. Number 2, it sets the tone. If you are a doctor or dentist or engineer, someone that has to be serious in your trade, your branding should follow suit. So it shouldn't be, too many frills and crazy things going on. It should showcase that you are a serious brand. However, if you are a donut brand, an ice cream brand, you should have fun with it. Those are fun items. When we worked with clients in the past, adding color, making sure there's some whimsicalness in there, that's how you get a good brand that matches the tone. Number 3, it differentiates you from your competition. You don't want to be the same as all of your competition, right? So you could have a brand that looks like every other brand, or you could do something different to make you stand out. A great example of that is the Geico brand. Insurance was boring before the gecko came along. And then they brilliantly decided to have a little green character that now people recognize that brand. And if you were to say, name an insurance brand, I can guarantee you many would say Geico first. Number 4, branding helps identify what's important. So we talked about how tonality is important, but there are certain elements that you can add into your brand that showcase what's important. We have a client that was a CBD client. They're veteran owned, very important to them, and they grow all of their product on a farm. We took their brand, instead of, it started out black and blue actually, and we took it and we incorporated different design elements that showcased the farm and also incorporated colors that spoke to the fact that they were veteran owned. Number 5, your branding should be your guide to all of your future marketing and marketing creative. So when we create brands for restaurants, you better bet that the entire restaurant infuses that branding into it. The look and feel of the restaurant, the menus, the emails, their social media, everything for branding has to be consistent and cohesive. Number 6, and my personal favorite, your brand should instill pride. You should be proud of the brand that you've created. The whole look and feel and everything that it stands for. I'm gonna give you a couple examples. I would put my logo on everything if I could. And I kind of do. For example, I have a pillow with my logo on it. What could be more fun? But I'm so proud of it and everything it stands for that I got this as a present. Love it. Another, come on the back of my phone. It's here. I could also show you, last year we gave out socks to our clients with our logo on them. Cute, right? But part of the reason why we did it is because we're proud of the brand that we built. So now you have 6 reasons why branding is important. You should call us so we can either give you a nice rebrand or elevate your brand and make it something that you can be proud of.